Just go for the Moodle page. Then log in as usual with your Google account. Selecting an account. It's logging in now. Yeah, it's logged in. We need week 3 feedback assessment. So we'll go to week 3. Yes, week 3. Here you can see in week 3 the language learning apps we introduced now. And here is your task, that is feedback on the tools. Click on that. Look here now. You'll get the page feedback on the tools. Please try out the tools and provide feedback on one of the tools using record audio. So now you have to record an audio of the feedback about any one tool which you want to. So for that, just read out the 2 questions mentioned below. On the behalf of those questions, you have to mention your audio. What do you think of the tools? Please name the tool and give your assessment. Okay, with the basis of these 2 questions, you have to give your feedback. You have to record it. So for now recording, let's proceed. We'll click on add new discussion topic. Then you will see here subject, message. You are quite familiar with these two. Now subject is what? I will go for feedback of memorize. Now next to that, here you will see the mic button. You have to just click on that mic button so that you can record your audio immediately. So you will get the options like this: record audio, and in the box start recording. Then while clicking on the start recording button, you can record your audio over there. Let's go for it. Hello everyone. I just want to mention the best tool for me is the Memrise app, because it's quite easy and very handy for the kids, as it includes many flashcard games. So it will be more easy for my kids and for the new learners too. It includes many drilling activities, mix and matching activities. So it's quite revising and revising and revising. Yes, it is little boring process for the other persons, but it will work for the young learners and beginners. So I will go with the Memrise app. Thank you. So I have recorded my audio here. If I want to change my recordings, then I can select again, record again. But I just don't want to do it now. I will go for the next option, attach recording. So here I have attached recording, and I got the message 100% completed, and see your audio is here. Okay. I think it's not working. See. No. the audio is there. We have to just click on post to forum, then it will be posted to our forum. So by clicking on post to forum, I have posted it. See, you will get the message your post was successfully added. You have 30 minutes to edit it if you want make any changes. Oh wow, great. My name is also there with my subject. Okay, see here, you can see the post. And if again you want to clear that post or edit that post or make any changes in that post, then just click immediately within 30 minutes, that is within half an hour, and then edit your post. Okay, the post is reopening now as I want to delete it. By using delete button, I'm going to clear it. This one is asking me, are you sure you want to delete this post? Continue. Yes. Discussion is deleted and now there is no post. Okay, this is all about how we can use the feedback on the tools. The same way you have to provide your audio, your recording or recorded audio on this forum and post it to the forum so that every participant can listen your audio of feedback on the tools. Thank you.